Hello everyone, this tutorial is about the integration testing. Integration testing is basically used to verify the integration between the two modules. For example, in the Gmail, we want to test the mailing functionality. Like first we need to compose mail and then check that mail in the sent item. As we know, the integration testing is basically used to testing the integration between the two modules. I am explaining with an example where in the Gmail we are taking the example of compose mail and send item. In the compose mail we are composing the mail and then we are checking that mail in the send item. It's sent or not. This is basically we are going to test between the two modules. When we compose the mail in one module and send the message in the another module, and when we are checking the send item in the send, then it's known as the integration between two modules, and integration testing is performed between two modules and more than two modules. Now we are basically going to discuss about the types of the integration testing. Basically, integration testing has two types. First is the incremental integration testing, and second one is the non-incremental testing. In the incremental integration testing means incrementally adding the module and testing the data flow between them. Like first we have the module and then we add the module B, testing the data flow between them, that is called as the increment testing. Basically, for example, in the incremental testing we are basically adding the modules in the increment way. First, for example, we have the data module of A, then we add the B and we are testing between them the flow. This is about the incremental testing. And in incremental testing there are two types. Incremental testing has also two types. One is top-down incremental testing, and second one is bottom-up incremental testing. Basically, the top-down we are adding the module in the top-to-down approach and testing the data flow between them and make sure adding the module in is child of the previous module. For example, in the Gmail, if we compose the mail and not edit, then we are not able to test the send item. Like for the it's in the top-down approach, first the parent module is ready, then we are going to the child module, and in that if for the Gmail example, if the compose mail module is not ready and we are not testing that, then there is no functionality to test the send items. So, so in this compose mail is the parent module and send item is the child module. This is about the top-down approach. And in the bottom-up approach, incrementally adding the module and ensure that which module we are adding is the parent of the previous module. Like in the bottom-up, the second module is known as the parent of the previous module. Like we are added the module A, it's going from the bottom to up. First we have added the A, then we are added the B. So B is the parent of the A. This is about the bottom up approach. Next one is the non-incremental testing. In this is also known as the Big Bang method. In non-incremental testing, we are adding the module in a single shot and test the data flow between them. Whenever we don't know about the parent and child module, then we are go for the non-incremental testing. So here is the most important interview question. The combination of the top-down and bottom-up integration testing is known as the sandwich testing. This is the most important interview question. Sometimes it will ask for the sandwich testing. So you need to explain about the top-down and bottom-up approach. This is all about the integration testing, type of the integration testing, how we perform the integration testing, and the combination and the modules combination in the integration testing. If you have any query, please ping me on the comment section. I'll able to resolve your query. And thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.